we're filming. So where should we do it?
So we're right here.
We're right here. It's all good.
Yeah. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool.
If you look at the videos they made at Monster Bash, it's like...
Okay, all right.
I was also filming for my episode for My Son the Vampire.
Whenever you're ready.
So what happens? How do we start? What's the second?
You're like, ask a question. What should we do?
Are you here?
Because we've asked everyone what's your favorite part of Monster Bash. About a Monster Bash.
Or not? You can still ask me what's my favorite part of Monster Bash.
You want to ask what? Yeah.
Ready? Hold on, it's late. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome back to Vampire Sisters. Here after Monster Bash with
Mr. Lobo. Wow, Mr. Vampire Sisters. Wow, I'm so glad to meet you. I watch your show all the time.
all the one
All
episode.
the one time. I watched it. Sure, I did. Of course. I wouldn't lie about something like that. So, what brings you here to a movie theater in Monroeville? Yeah, and a car.
Yeah.
Well, Mom was driving, so.
Was your Dracula with your dad?
No, he's our friend.
So how are things going? What can I do for you?
We wanted to interview you and ask you what your favorite part of Monster Bash is.
My favorite part of Monster Bash is that I'm not there. No, that's not true. My favorite part of Monster Bash is meeting you folks, of course. Meeting you is the soccer match. That's always the best part. They all,
Gina, you can ask me. What's your favorite movie?
my favorite movie? Oh, well, I like to say that my favorite movie is
Oh, the same as Tom Travilla.
Oh yeah, is that what he said? Because whenever I watch it, it feels like it's 3 in the morning. I like that.
Gina, should we watch it tonight?
Oh,
We should do it one day on the show.
You know what I would really like if you two hosted King of Shrews. If I really like that movie. You think you guys could arrange that?
Maybe.
Maybe?
We'll have to see
Okay.
if we have the publishing rights.
Okay, let me know. I can make a couple of phone calls if that would help. I know that all you need to do is get like a couple of like star poodles and throw a bath mat over the back of them. And they kind of look like a shrew.
Yeah.
A lot of doggies.
Yeah, you got doggies, you can put a bath mat over their back. Make a shrew out of it. Another thing you could do is you could get like like a big cardboard box and put like a slit in it, and you can kind of like move around without the shrews attacking you. That's another idea.
Gina, do you have anything else to ask Mr. Lobo?
Which is your favorite monster?
My favorite monster, oh boy, that's really tough. I think my favorite universal monster is probably the Invisible Man, because the stuff he says is so crazy. Even the moon is afraid of me. All of that stuff is great, So I kind of like his business a lot, but I kind of feel like the creature from the Black Lagoon is like, he kind of always works. Like even though he was made in the 50s, he still looks good. He still looks really good.
Yeah, Gina knows all about the design process for Christmas Black.
And is it the first, was it Millicent Patrick?
Millicent Patrick.
Millicent Patrick, a wonderful young lady like you two, who got into doing makeup, first glamour makeup, and then doing makeup, and then creating one of the most famous monsters of all time.
You know what else she created? There you go.
She created, that's what I did.
That's what I heard.
Also, the moment.
The moment also could be, because they're all universal.
She should be ashamed of herself.
Frank Delastrito said next year in June, his lecture is going to be on the Invisible Man.
Oh, Invisible Man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Going back to what we were talking about before.
Okay, yeah, sure. Yeah. We did a bit on Cinema Insomnia, and you can find it, but we did the transparent man. We couldn't do anything.
3 more years you can.
3 more years we can. But I bandaged my head up and I put some sunglasses on, and I think just when those bandages are tight on your head like that, that's what drives you insane. insane. Like that's when you start talking ridiculous.
Yeah.
We'll throw over a few trains, and then all that stuff comes out of that. I think you just go crazy.
Well, thanks for being on our
It
show.
was my pleasure. My pleasure. You guys are doing a great job.
Thank you.
Yes.
We'll see you next time on the
Don't
Vampire
bite me. I'll see you later.
Great.
Okay, we
Thank
got
you
it.
so much.
Thank you.